Hello everyone, this is Frank Demora. I am giving you more news about the birds, the fish, and the animals dying. My last video I ended April 2nd, 2015, and I'm going to pick up from that date to show you what's happened just in the last week. This was the last one that I put up, and we'll continue from here. So as you can see, just in a short period of time since my last video, there's been a lot of reports about either the birds, the fish, or the animals dying, and you will see more of them, I guarantee it. How can I guarantee such a bad thing? Well, we're coming close to the end, and the Lord showed us in Scripture that before He comes back, we're going to be seeing the birds, the fish, and the animals dying off.